Mastering Ordinal Numbers 11th-20th, Written Assignments. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're focusing on the ordinal numbers from 11th to 20th. Specifically, we'll talk about how to apply this knowledge in written assignments. Let's dive in. Before we start, let's quickly recap. Ordinal numbers are numbers that indicate position or order in relation to others. In English, the ordinal numbers from 11th to 20th are 11th, 11th, 12th, 12th, 13th, 13th, 14th, 14th, 15th, 15th, 16th, 16th, 17th, 17th, 18th, 18th, 19th, 19th, 20th, 20th. You can see that these ordinal numbers mostly follow a pattern in their spelling, with some exceptions. It's vital to practice using these ordinal numbers to become comfortable with them. In writing, ordinal numbers are frequently used to list items in a specific order. They also appear in dates, titles, and names of events or places. Let's look at a few examples. I was the 11th person to arrive at the party. The 20th century saw major advancements in technology. Her birthday is on the 12th of May. He won the 17th season of the reality TV show. These examples demonstrate different situations where you might use these ordinal numbers in your writing. Now that we've covered usage, let's talk about how you can practice these in your written assignments. Here are a few suggestions. Write a sequence of events. You can describe a historical event, a recipe, or even a day in your life. Use ordinal numbers to indicate the order of events. Create a top 20 list. Write about your top 20 favorite books, movies, or songs. This gives you a chance to use all the ordinal numbers from 11th to 20th. Compose a letter or an email. Mention dates, ranks, or numbered lists, where you can use ordinal numbers naturally. Remember, the key to mastering these numbers is regular practice in different contexts. That's all for today's video. I hope this has helped clarify how to use and practice the ordinal numbers from 11th to 20th in your written assignments. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these ordinal numbers in your everyday writing. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.